Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here. P011800 coolant temperature sensor 1 has a short circuit to positive. This is going to be a guidance video. It's a 2.1 Mercedes diesel engine 2016 on a GLA from 2005-6 all the way to 2023, even 2024 probably. They do this engine. Now this is going to be guidance. So on this diagnostic, it's bringing up this, and on the engine management lights on. If it is, and the car's going in limp mode, or you're losing things, I don't know, let's say it judders, maybe you are getting full power, but engine management light is on, and there's a warning. So that fault code is this sensor here. So if I unplug this, it's this sensor here that packs in. It's not the most difficult thing to change. It's literally that cable in there. I don't know if I can show you guys, but it's that little pin there. Take the pin out, this will slide out. And recommendation, our recommendation is always, sorry, my camera's blurry for some reason. Here we go. Our recommendation is, as always, recommendation would be is buy an OEM genuine part. I don't think that would be very expensive, so if you contact dealer, get it off them, happy days. But get OEM, fit it on, do a full scan and clear. I'm using the iCarSoft CR Ultra P. Just do a full scan and clear, done, dusted. The engine light will go away. But that's where the sensor is located on this engine, guys.